Welcome to my channel. Do like my video or subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Today we are going to learn some more tips regarding MS Word. The text alignment between the pages having some gaps, so I am going to show you how to adjust the gaps. You see there is a gap of approximately one line. Right click here, go to paragraph, then go to line and page break. Uncheck the option Windows or Font Control. When you uncheck this option, the gaps between the pages will automatically adjusted. So this third line has come at second page. Similarly, this bullet number has also come at the third page. So let's have a look to another tip. So how to insert the page numbers? I have already added the page numbers. Let me delete page numbers and I will show you how to add the page numbers. Go to insert, then there is an option of page numbers. Click on it. You can select top of page or bottom of page. I will select bottom of page and I will choose this option. So that's how page numbers are inserted. How to edit or add header of a document? You can add a header in the document. So you need to double click on it and you can add a header that will appear on all pages. If you want to have a different header on different pages, so I will show you how to add different header on different pages. First, you need to insert the page break so your section or page is separated. So to insert a page break, you need to go to layout, break, next page break. So if you want to reconfirm it, just click here. You see section break is inserted. Link to previous should be unchecked, and if you change the header, it will only change in second section. So that's how you will change your header. Now my next step is how to align the text. So you can use the tab options to adjust the text. If you want to write on extreme right side of a document, you need to use tab options. How to use? Go to tabs on left side, click on it, then click on rulers. Click here and drag it to right side. Type your text, press a tab button and you can type on right side of this document. That's how you align your text. Okay, my next step is how to use the text wrapping option. If you press enter here, a one line gap is added just like the paragraph. So if someone does not want to add the one line gap, you can use the text wrapping option. How to insert, go to layout, break, and you choose text wrapping option. Click on it, unjustify the text, then again click on text wrapping. You can use as many times as you want, and you can also add a picture or anything, the space you have created using text wrapping option. So my next tip is how to use autosave option. While you are typing, you can use the autosave option. Go to file, click on option, save, and you can reduce the time, let's say 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes your document will be automatically saved. My next tip is how to encrypt a Word document. You can also encrypt your Word document and put a password on it. How to use? Go to file, protect document, encrypt with password. The Word document will ask you to put some password. I am going to add a 4-digit password here. Press enter or OK. Re-enter your password. OK, and your document is encrypted. Just save it and close it. And your document is protected. I am going to save as it and close it. Reopening it, and that's how Word document will ask you a password. So you can also delete the password. Just press delete button and your password is deleted. So my next tip is how to use the watermark option. Go to design, click on watermark, click here, customize your watermark. You can use picture or text. I am going to show you first how to use the text and then the picture. So let's see the text option. I will type here my channel name. You can use the option horizontal or diagonal. Okay, at the background of this text you will see a watermark. So I will make it more darker. Let's say I will choose this color, apply or OK. So you can use also a picture option as a watermark. Customize watermark, select the picture. I'm going to use the logo of my channel. Insert. Auto, yes. Wash out. Okay. In the background you can see a watermark is there. That's how you can use the watermark. Do like my video or subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.